So this is our room tour for the Country Inn and Suites. You walk in, there's a little closet here, and then the vanity out here. You got your extra towels, trash can. There's the sink, and a little coffee maker, and some Rural Cup coffee. And then they did give us some Country Inn and Suites shampoo, body wash, and lotion. Then directly across is just a standard bathroom, tub, and then here's our room. We have a king. There's some light, and there's a lot of plug-ins. Over here is a microwave, ice bucket, fridge, and then you have the TV. There is a couch that we're going to pull out for Penelope to sleep in. It does have a connecting room if that was needed. Here is the desk. There's a fireplace in here. And then here's the balcony. We're right on the strip.
Okay, there's a spider web on this balcony. Okay.
Right as you come into Pigeon Forge from Gatlinburg. So it's not bad. This is our first time staying here at the Country Inn and Suites.
Mama, there's two spider webs. There's the second one. I think it's only the first one.
All right. So that is our quick room tour. Here's another shot of the room from this angle. Now we're gonna go figure out some dinner because it is late and it is past somebody's dinner time. Good morning from Pigeon Forge. Today we're gonna go eat breakfast at the Old Mill, and then later today we're gonna go to Splash Country. So let's go check out the Old Mill. Alright, we are at the Old Mill. Say hi.
You can get anything to drink. And a free muffin in orange juice with my parents.
Alright, so they brought us out some, you said they were cinnamon banana muffins. Some butter and some jam or preserves came in here. And then they had also brought us out some orange juice, but we kind of drank it all. Alright, I got the French toast, the cinnamon raisin French toast with some bacon. Me and Penelope are going to split this. And then Steven got a cheese omelet. That looks good.
Yep, it does. And biscuits.
And biscuits. Alright, can't wait to dig in. So we truly enjoyed our breakfast here at the Old Mill. I did not realize how much history was in the Old Mill until I got to doing some Google search while we were sitting there eating breakfast. And it's pretty cool that it actually, they can trace their history back to 1830, I believe. But it was really fascinating to read, and it's all on their website if you would like to learn more about it. And there's also more little shops here at the Old Mill. So this is us touring the old general store. It's a cute, quaint little store. You can get all kinds of little goods like preserves, all kinds of canned goods. You can get flour, grits, just about any kind of things like that. And then they also have little trinkets and cute souvenirs. Also, we were there for breakfast, so a lot of the other things were not open yet. But they also have a pottery house cafe. They have a creamery, the Old Mill Creamery. This is the Old Mill General Store. They also had an Old Mill Candy Kitchen, an Old Mill Pigeon River Pottery, Old Mill Farmhouse Kitchen, Sassafras, I think that's a restaurant as well. And then there's the Old Forge Distillery, which we had been there several years ago, but they didn't open until later in the day, and we didn't make it back over there. But it was a super cute store. This is just us walking around it and us showing, like, they had homemade honey, just about any kind of homemade things that they've made there that you could get. And then just cute kitchen signs, and I really like that Alexa do the dishes, and I remember asking Penelope, hey, do you think I could get Alexa to do our dishes? But we had fun looking in here. There's a lot of little trinkets and a few things that I really considered getting, but I ended up leaving without it. Maybe one day I'll go back. Your mama would like that.
Mama, look at this. Bears are doing a lot of human stuff.
Happy campers.
What about this one?
Yeah, it says, when life makes it tough to stand, get on your knees and pray.
There's a bit crying.
Did you want the grapes? Did you want the grapes? Hi friends, we spent the rest of the day at Splash Country, and it's Dollywood Splash Country. It is so cute, but let me tell you, it is so awkward to try to film at a water park. Because I didn't really want to get anybody's kids, and I know I feel awkward in a bathing suit, so I didn't want it. It was awkward. But I did try to get some clips throughout our day. Dollywood Splash Country is quite large. There's quite a few slides. I didn't get nowhere near all the slides. This is a little kids area that's super cute that our girls loved. Well, my girl and my sister's little one. But it's a good distance to walk around. I know that there's a lazy river, and there's a huge pool, the wave pool, sorry. There's a huge wave pool, and then there's slides everywhere. And then the kids area, and then there's another swimming pool, and this is where we're walking to now. We really enjoyed our time, and it was so hot that day, which it was the end of July, so it's going to be hot, but we had so much fun. And if you're ever in Pigeon Forge and go to Dollywood in the summer, Splash Country is such a cute little, well, it's not little, but it's a cute place to visit. for joining Let's Make Memories as we went through our hotel at Country Inn and Suites, and then we went to the Old Mill for breakfast, and then spent a great time with friends and family at the Dollywood Splash Country. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.